Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are back doing another kind of comment request video. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So the comment was, can't find keys module, and this is in regard to the Ameritrade API series. So I typed in import keys right here, if I could spell keys. So we ran this, and then they're inside keys, dir on keys, there was this Ameritrade object. And this is a variable, and I'm not going to call it because that is actually my key to my API. But this is what is super important. I created this module, and it's not a very fancy module. If you have not seen, oh my goodness, I shouldn't have started this without thinking of it. But here, keys, right here, inside. So this is what a module is. All it is a .py file. So if we go to here and we type in our OS, how we import OS, or even open pickle, how we're importing these, all these are .py files that most of them here are already created, because then you have the site, you have the other library, the other subdirectory that has the libraries that are brought in from the outside world with pip. But these are the modules, the Python files, the .py files that are created. And here's a great one. Here's what the RE, the regular expressions library, looks like. It is just everything, because this one was actually created back in the 50s, and now it is just adjusted for Python use. So don't get overwhelmed. Don't think it's fancier than it is. It is just a .py file, and we can create our own. We just save. I mean, all my keys module is it's a it was the main function. That how I showed you the local and main underscore, where we took our main py file and our secondary py file, and then we ran it, and that's all it was. So we're just importing a .py file that we had already created and dropped it in. And a majority of, and here's a great one, let's see, what is a good one? Oh, to really understand, here's everything that calendar does. Everything right here, all the classes, all of the variables that go and lay out. So don't be overwhelmed if you see something that is not already there, or you see somebody else's code and you're like, I've never heard that module. If you're on Git and you're going through, just look. It may be just a py file that they created, and it has another tab for it to be able to be downloaded. So real quick video today. Great question. Thank you very much for asking that question. Somebody else has these same questions. So if you're not quite sure, ask. So there we go, guys. Make sure you're watching until the end. Check these out. And as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.